Welcome to Study Loop.
In this situation we have a bat here, and this bat is moving with some velocity v, and there is a wall here, and it produces some sound wave and reflected back. So when it produces some sound wave, it has frequencies 1.7 kilohertz, and this is a wall. So and the same sound wave get back to this bat itself, and the bat measures the frequency beat or delta f, which is f beat equals to 8 hertz. So the question is, what is the b bat? So we can solve this using Doppler effect formula. We have Doppler effect formula as follows: Fl V plus Vl over V plus Vs into Fs. So in the first situation, the bat act as a source of this wave and the wall act as a listener. And then after for reflection, the wall act as a source and the bat as a listener. So we have two situations here, two situations. We will solve this situation, solve this problem by solving first situation and then second. So let's get started. So we have fs1 equals to 1700 hertz, or the frequency of the source, frequency of source or bat at beginning, or just say 1. So the first one, so this is situation 1. And fl2, frequency listened by the bat, frequency listened by the bat in situation 2. So we have FL2 minus FS1 equals to delta F, which is 8 Hertz. Now going to the for the calculation for this one and this one, we already know this situation here. FS1 is just the same value here, 1700 Hertz. So let's get calculation this one, FL2. So we have sound wave going to the wall and then getting back reflected. So first we need to find out the frequency received by the wall and then reflected back and then received by the bat. So let's get started. So we have FL2 equals to V plus V bat over over velocity of SH2. So this is the frequency reflected by the wall or the source second. So this we have Fs2 equals to V over V minus V bat into Fs1. So this is the frequency emitted by the bat, emitted by bat. So we have this formula and these two formula to find out the value of Fl2. So this gives us Fl2 equals V plus V bat over V minus V bat into Fs1. So this is our final formula for finding out the Fl2. Now putting this value in this here, just here, so it gives us Fl2 minus Fs1 equals to delta F, which is 8 Hertz, equals to V plus V bat, V minus V bat, Fsi S1 minus Fs1. So this becomes V plus V bat, V minus V bat, minus 1 Fs1. So we have V bat. After solving this using algebra, we have V delta F over 2 fs1 plus delta f. So put in the value of delta f here, and this fs1 which we already know, which is 1.7 kilohertz. So this gives us 344 meter per second into 8 hertz over 2 into 1 1700. So we have this hertz plus 8 hertz. Using calculator we find out this is 0.0808 meter per second. So that's your answer. Thank you.